Let's talk about the Chesapeake Bay Middle School recycling program, which will start this week during homeroom.
The reasons that we're recycling are to reduce pollution, reduce the amount of waste going into our landfills here in Anne Arundel County. We want to conserve natural resources and save energy that is used to produce new things.
Here at Chesapeake Bay Middle School, we are trying to become a green school. You can help us do that by placing all waste in the correct bins and helping us empty the green and blue bins in your homeroom.
Each of your teachers will have 3 bins, a green, a blue, and a black. The green is for paper waste only. There are many different things that are considered paper, and we'll talk about those, but we get paid by the ton for paper. So the more paper we recycle, the more money we get. The blue bins are for recyclable waste only. These are like the yellow bins that you have at home. And black is for trash only. Here are all of the things that can be recycled in the paper bins. You've got printer paper, copier paper, notebook paper, anything that you would take out of your notebook. A couple others to consider are magazines, cardboard, note cards, Post-it notes, and then if you're done with your Carnegie Math textbook pages, those can also be recycled in the paper bin. In the recyclable bin, it's everything that can be recycled in Anne Arundel County. Plastic, metal, and glass. This is just a few of the items that can be recycled. Water bottles are one very important thing to make sure that you put in the blue bins. Trash. This is not a list that is complete, but any food must go in the trash cans. Styrofoam cannot be recycled, so it must go in the trash. Gum is not recyclable. Please make sure that if you're throwing away gum, you wrap it in paper so it doesn't stick to the trash can. And then pens and pencils. We are going to trash those instead of recycling. If there's anything else that you can think of that would be trash, please throw it in the trash.
Now, since the students are emptying the recycling bins, you're probably wondering when to take the bins to be emptied. So every day during homeroom, before the announcements come on, you are going to pick 2 students to take the bins. One person will carry the green, one person will carry the blue. Our custodians do not empty the green or blue bins. Our students need to do that.
Here is a map of the school. If you look down here in the bottom part is the cafeteria. So we're going to use that as our reference point. At the back of the cafeteria, there is an exit right by the cafeteria lines. If you turn left and go down the hallway like you're heading to the elevator, then you turn right heading back towards the B gym. And the B gym is right here. These doors are where you are going to go and throw away your green bins, and then this stairwell is where you will empty your blue bins. As you walk past the elevator, down the hallway, and through the double doors towards the B gym, this is what you're going to see under the stairwell. There are going to be 4 blue recycling bins and 1 paper bin. When you get there, you're going to see these blue bins. So this is where you dump the small blue bins into the larger ones. They are labeled recycling only. Please do not dump paper in the blue rolling bins. If you have a green bin, you're going to go a little bit further past the stairwell, and there's going to be a set of 3 double doors, so 6 doors total. Outside those doors, you'll see 2 large yellow and green dumpsters. They have paper retriever, paper recycling on them. This is where you are going to take your green bins and dump your paper. Remember, we get paid for our paper. If you get down there and there is not a teacher standing outside, and those are the signs on each of the doors, you are to take your paper and dump it into the paper-only recycling bin underneath the stairs. Do not go outside if there is not a teacher or administrator standing at the doors.
Now, let's just review some things that you need to remember. Remember, you, the students, are responsible for your classroom bins. Make sure that you have your bins by checking the room number on the bottom of each one every morning when you go down to empty the bins. Also, if you are recycling drinks, we ask that you please finish the drink or dump it out before placing it in the blue bin. This will keep the bins nice and clean and keep them from getting nasty and sticky. If you are throwing gum away, please wrap it in a small piece of paper or tissue so that it doesn't get stuck to the inside of the bins. Also, remember, bins must be emptied in homeroom before announcements. If it's after announcements, please wait until the next day. And once again, do not go outside with the green bins if there is not a teacher at the doors. Thank you for helping us recycle at Chesapeake Bay Middle School.